I'm gonna try to get all this dirty stuff
Don't.
out of the dishwasher. See that? Yeah. Yucky. Okay.
If you're gonna smell it, you can go.
Okay. Yeah, got gum.
Okay, hurry up. I think my parents text me. Come on.
Okay, going. Ah, God, yummy.
Wait, we didn't get to see it. We didn't get to see it.
Good thing I have.
Here.
Good thing I have gum.
If you're here, you can just smell it, taste, and just.
Hey, round 2. Follow me on Instagram.
Well, let me see.
Dude119.
Wait, we didn't get to see.
All lowercase. Dude119. Follow
Follow me on Instagram, Dallas1715.
Hey, subscribe. Bye.
Subscribe. Thanks. Bye. If you want to see more videos, just subscribe and make comments.